Hi guys, welcome to our Do-It-Yourself channel here at the Children's Science Center Lab. I'm Audrey.
And I'm Kelly.
And today we're going to show you an experiment you guys can do at home. This is our proprioception activity. Now proprioception is this idea of how your body knows exactly where it is even when you can't see part of your body. So just like when I hold my hand up back here, I know that it's over here even though I can't see it. Proprioception is also known as kinesthesia. Now, Kelly's going to do a couple different activities with us about proprioception that you guys want to try at home, okay? All right, Kelly, first thing I need you to do is take your arms and put them up like a T like that. All right, can you see your hands?
No.
Okay, good. That's the first thing. You want to make sure you can't see where your arms are. All right, Kelly, now what I want you to do is take your right index finger, touch your nose, and then try and find your thumb of your left hand.
So touch my nose.
Now try and find your thumb
All right.
of your left hand. See how it took her a little bit of time to get there? So she maybe thought, yes, I know exactly where my thumb is, but when we can't see it, it gets a little bit harder. Okay, Kelly, I want you this time to try and do the same thing, but touch your index finger.
All right.
So she has mechanoreceptors in her muscles that allow her body to know where it is, even though she can't see it. All right, Kelly, now I know your muscles are getting a little bit tired, but now I want you to try and do really quickly. Go from your nose to your thumb, back to your nose, now to your index finger, back to your nose, and now to your middle finger. And see if you can get to each finger. Ready, set, go. All right, so she kind of missed a little bit, but she found it. She found that one easily. All right, Kelly, tell us, is this getting easier or harder? You can put your arms down now.
A little bit harder, actually.
Okay, so our body knows where it is, and as we're doing this, it might be kind of hard to find our fingers sometimes, but if you keep doing it a whole bunch of times, your body figures out where it is. Because it has, again, all those mechanoreceptors, those nerves in our muscles and our joints telling us where our body is. All right, activity number 2. This one, we have some materials you can use at home. Just a toilet paper tube that we've cut 2 holes in and put a little dot in the middle, and then a pen. For this one, you're gonna go ahead and take the pen, and I want you to get eye level with that little dot there. Now close one of your eyes and see if you can put the pen through the hole of the toilet paper tube.
All right.
Let's see if she can do it.
I have to be eye level?
Eye level. And see if you can get it to go through both the holes. She's got one. Ah, there you go. All right, now try your other eye closed. Definitely take some brain power to see if you can get that. Now what I want you to do is do it with your both eyes open. Which one do you think was easier?
Both eyes open.
Both eyes open, right? So we have depth perception, which is when we can tell how far something is away from us. When we close one of our eyes, we change our depth perception, which makes this activity a little bit harder. So again, cut 2 holes in the sides of a toilet paper tube, draw a little dot, that way you know kind of where to aim height-wise, and see if you can get your pen to go through both of the holes in this toilet paper tube you've made. All right, now this last activity is my favorite one, and I'm gonna tell you a bit of a secret about it. You will now know how to trick your friends' brains. Okay, so to do this, Kelly, I need you to stick your hands straight out in front of you. Flip your hands. Okay, now cross your arms, close your fingers, and now turn your hands up into your chest. Okay, I'm gonna let go of my hands, but you leave them where you are. Now the secret to this trick is to make sure that you don't actually touch the person's hands when we do this next step. Because as soon as I touch any part of her arm or hand, her body knows exactly where it is. Because again, we have those nerves, those senses in our skin and our body to tell us where things are. So I'm gonna point to one of those fingers, and Kelly, I want you to see if you can move that exact finger. All right, see if you can move that finger. Oh no, she got the wrong one. Okay, let's try again. Try this finger. There you go. Okay, now this one.
Oh. Okay.
It's really hard. So, because what we've done is we've inversed, we've flipped, and we've put it in a different position that we think it should be. Our hands should be like this, but when we've done all of that, we kind of flipped our hands over and our body can't quite figure out where it is. That's why if I were to touch her finger, then her body has sensed it and she knows exactly where it is. Remember, make sure we just point, but don't actually touch. All right, you guys, now you know how to trick your friends' brains. Try these activities at home, and hopefully we'll see if you guys can come up with any other activities on your own about proprioception, where your body might be. All right, enjoy this, guys. Bye.
Bye.